Hi, I'm Todd Aylsworth, President of Fleet Kleen Pressure Washing and Paver Sealing. Welcome to our website and welcome to Fleet Kleen. We've been in business over 50 years in the local community. Obviously here in 2020 it's been an interesting year with COVID and all that's going on. We've used this time to introduce a number of new things, including a new website, a new logo for our brand. We recently were awarded first place by the Herald Tribune in both Sarasota County and Manatee County for pressure washing. We're A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau. We have a great team that looks forward to working with you. Part of the website is it's interactive, so you can leave not just your contact info, but what you're looking for, and we'll get right back to helping you find a solution for your property. You can reach us via our website, or you can just give us a call, 941-723-0086, and we look forward to putting together a program specifically for you. Thank you.